as fuck!
Why is he licking me? This boy's
Sister!
Yo, what the fuck? Hey, Grandma, you trying to step on me? Man, you fucking... Oh, shit!
Oh shit! Wake up!
Wait, I gotta do the other ear.
Wait a minute!
She got a...
Yeah!
Bounce to the...
Yeah!
Oh, shit! I put that bitch into the recovery position.
Breathe in! Stop! Wake up!
Man, I don't care about my grandma anyway, but... Oh, shit, where did she go?
Stay away! Stop! I said stop!
What the...
She just get fucking everybody!
Out of the pink, into the stick. Hi, Grandma. Is that your dead husband? Bye, bye, hubby.
Yay! Oh. No, they killed her! Mom! No!
Fall asleep. Say la. Huh.
Am I dead? What the fuck?
Oh, no, I'm good. Hey, Grandma.
Grandma!
Can you feed me, please?
It's famous! She's still back in there!
Motherfucker. Oh, no. Spider cat, you can't catch me up here. You've gotta...
Yeah!
Grandma!
Hop it! Meow! Meow!
Ooh, kitty treats! The fuck you looking at?
The fuck you?
Yo, get the fuck...
Yo, get the fuck!
This is fucking...
Is this shit?
I gotta wash it! I gotta wash...
Oh! Oh! I wanna... No!
They got shanks in this bit! They got shanks in this bit! Hey, run me your bucket!
Hey, Grandma, you know! Hey, Grandma! You know! What the fuck? Oh!
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Hey, Grandma, them shoes look my size, you know?
Yo, Romeo! Shut!
I'm just gonna go put the knife.
Oh my god! Stop! Stop! Are you jacking?
I said rub me!
Your fucking buckets!
Hey, I said
Run him! I said run him! Yo!
I got an apple. Whoa!
Who the fuck is Archie?
Them 10 books off the... Say la! Name 10 books! Books are for...
The bitch! Yeah!
The fuck are you? What's good, Fluffy Joe? My boy. Good morning, rookie.
The fuck you said to me?
Hey, Grandma, look at my clothes. Gold tester right here.
Shush, Scratch!